In this day and age of AI, every developer or vibe coder can spin up a code, but senior engineers think in systems. I'm going to show you the difference between someone basically spinning up a code and then a system thinker. And this will basically change how you think of every app that you build or touch going forward. Let's paint a scenario. A junior developer sees a login button and they think, I need to write a function or a method to check the username and the password. And that's it. Basically doing a validation. But a senior engineer or a deep system thinker sees the same login button and thinks, what hits the server first? Is it the DNS? Is it the load balancer? Is there a rate limiter in the server? What if the authentication server is slow? And what if it's down completely? What does the user see? And what do the logs say at this point? It's basically the same button but completely different brain. System thinkers are known to use three mental models automatically in every situation. Number one is flow thinking. They always trace the full path of a request from the browser to the database and back, no skipping steps. Number two, failure thinking. They assume everything can fail. Not if it fails, but when it fails, what happens? If the database is slow, what happens? What if a message duplicates? What if a deploy house succeeds? Number three is trade-off. There is no perfect architecture in software engineering. You can either choose between a fast or reliable system, a simple or a scalable system, a consistent or an available system. Every decision you make in software engineering is a trade-off, and every great engineer that I know must name that trade-off aloud. Here's the thing. No one teaches you this in any bootcamp or training session. They basically teach you syntax, frameworks, maybe data structures. But system thinking, you have to deliberately build this like a muscle in the gym. And that's exactly what I'm going to be talking about and sharing videos on in the next couple of series that I'll be releasing. There I'll be talking about the concepts, every mental model, every failure pattern that I'm learning. Real stuff, no theory, just keep it locked in with me.